Welcome back to Jody's Kitchen. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican jerk chicken in my kitchen. Take a look at my jerk chicken. So mouth-watering and delicious. If you want to learn this juicy mouth-watering recipe, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Let's get this process started. I have all my ingredients here. I've got my chicken already clean. I wash my chicken with vinegar and a natural lemon. I got some fresh scallion right here. Got my jerk season right here. I got my Grace soya sauce. We have some garlic powder in the building. Up next, we have some ginger, garlic, and pimento. And the bad boy of the day, Walkerswood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning. This one is hot and spicy. And my allspice to tenderize my meat. And my Grace browning to give my meat added flavor and color, and my all-purpose Maggi season up. Got my thyme, my fresh thyme, and I've got me a medium-sized onion, and I got 3 cloves of garlic. So guys, let's get this process started. Guys, please make sure you're wearing your gloves. We're gonna do the rub-in method, and we're gonna use a lot of spice to our jerk chicken. We are making the authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, full of flavor and spice. So guys, protect your hands. So my chicken is here. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna bring you guys close up. I'm gonna add all my dried ingredients to my chicken. So first, I'm going in with my jerk seasoning. Make sure you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Take a close look, guys. I'm adding all my dried ingredients first. Gonna add some browning. This particular browning is strong, so you don't want to use a lot and then your chicken comes out real black. So we're gonna use a little and then we're gonna adjust where necessary. This is how much I add of my browning. Going in with my soya sauce. Whenever I'm making jerk chicken, I always use my soya sauce. Going in with the bad boy of the day, my Walkerswood Jerk seasoning. And I'm just adding 2 tablespoons to my chicken. And guys, it gives your jerk chicken a nice, spicy, flavorful taste. I love to use the Walker brand. You could use whatever brand of jerk seasoning of your choice, guys. Let's go. I'm using 8 pimento seed and I'm just gonna crush them all together. There it is, guys. There it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just toss everything in. So now guys, I'm gonna make my mix blend. I have my half of onion, I've got my 3 cloves of garlic, and I got my scallion. And over here I have my fresh thyme. So I'm gonna blend all of this together. So guys, you wanna go in and add your onions. I'm just gonna cut this up and put it in there. Add in these, my scallion. Add all of that. My 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just cutting them in half. Drop everything in there. Oh yes, guys. Bring it up so you could see it. And then my thyme. This smells so good, guys. Alright, so we're gonna put the top on. So look, guys, we have a mixed blend here already. Look at that. All that fresh spice, everything. The smell is so good. So we're gonna put this in our blender. Plug that in. And then we're gonna go like this. Come on. If you want your mixed blend to be more thicker, you could add less water or you could add more spices. So now, guys, we have our mixed blend here. Let me show you guys how it looks. Ooh, the smell. Look at that, guys. The smell. Ooh la la. So take a look. My chicken is here. Everything is here. So look at this now, guys. I'm just going to toss some on it. It depends on the amount that you want to use. See this, guys? Look at this. Look at all that niceness. Look at that. I'm gonna take a rub now. Look at this, going in. Rub these baby together. Massage everything. And guys, do not remove the skin from the chicken. This helps to prevent the chicken from getting dried out. So guys, do not remove the skin from your chicken. Make sure you rub everything in. See all this niceness right here? Rub it inside of the chicken. Come on, guys. We don't want dry, flavorless chicken. All right, so let me show you guys. Look at this. Can't get any better than this. Jerk chicken in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Take a close look. So guys, I'm gonna cover this and leave it for 2 hours time. So guys, see you back in 2 hours time. So guys, we are back. Let me check on the chicken, guys. It's the same gloves. I didn't went anywhere. Still here, guys. So this is what my chicken looks like after the 2 hours time. Here you go, guys. My Jamaican jerk chicken. Look at all of that. The niceness. So guys, at this point, you want to make sure it's at the right texture, the right flavor that you want. If you want to add more flavor and spice to it, you could go ahead and add flavor and more spice to it. Do as you wish, but I think this texture and everything here looks perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go in and place everything into my baking tray. So that's it. So all this natural juice here, see this, guys? I'm just gonna pour it over my jerk chicken. I'm just gonna pour it over. It's all natural. Don't be afraid, guys. Pour everything out. Yes, all that niceness. All right, guys, let me wash my hands first. So guys, we're gonna put this in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. I've already preheated my oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So guys, during the space of 1 hour and 10 minutes, you wanna go back and check your chicken to see how it's doing. So guys, we're gonna put this in the oven. So let's go, guys. Look at that. Can't get any better than this. My Jamaican jerk chicken. Look at that, guys. Mouth watering. Look at that. Guys, we're here to check our chicken. It's at 40 minutes now. from the hour time. So we're gonna turn over the chicken. Gonna switch it over on the other side so the other side can get golden brown also. Turn it on the other side. I'm trying to turn all these. Look at that, guys. Look at the nice gravy. Look at that already. Ooh. So yes, guys, switch it on the other side. And do not cover it up, guys. You don't want dry chicken. Okay, guys, so turn it over on the other side. And now I'm just gonna add some of the gravy on the chicken. So guys, we're gonna put back our baby into the oven for the remaining 30 to 35 minutes. So let's go, guys. And voila, here goes my jerk chicken. Take a look at my baby, the Jamaican authentic jerk chicken. This is how your jerk chicken should look, all juicy and nice. Your jerk chicken shouldn't come out looking dry. So guys, follow the steps and you won't go wrong. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and it's time for us to dig in. You could have this with festival, rice and peas, white rice, bread, whatever choice, whatever you wish. So guys, try it at home and tell me how you like it. From my kitchen to yours. Enjoy! Bye guys!